Why does my tummy growl? Can you guess why your tummy makes that sound? The grumbling sounds from your stomach occur from movement of gas and fluids through the intestines during digestion. These sounds are usually normal and often louder when hungry. That sound in your stomach and intestines squeezing and moving, they're like a washing machine for your food. Common causes include hunger, digestion, swallowing air from eating fast or chewing gum, and the breakdown of food by bacteria. Bowel sounds are perfectly normal except on rare occasions when the sounds are consistently associated with pain or diarrhea. So in summary, tummy growls are normal. Dr. Ru says growl equals working.